Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss political parties. A political parties is an association of the like-minded people or person who have the same ideology opinion on social. Here that word minded means having the type of mind mentioned. Economic and political activities. The objective of every political party is to win as many seats as possible to form the government. Here that every political party want to win and they want to get more seats as possible to form the government. Okay, their votes actually symbolizes the public opinion of the people, so these are very important to form a government by a political party. And the vote actually symbolizes the public opinion of the people, so these are very important to form a government by a political party. And every political party has a role to play in a healthy democracy of a country. It has the uphold certain legal, constitutional and democratic means to serve the nation. The sole purpose of every political party is to work for the national interest and should never resort to violence of any kind of malpractice. If any party got the highest number of votes, so they should not be careless or wrong or illegal behavior, okay, and behaving which harm or damage somebody something as a physically. They should not do such thing in a democratic country. Okay, in a democratic country the political parties have a special role to play so that the welfare of the people at a large should not be done away with. The political parties have several functions as under. The political parties have a special role to play, and whatever they are doing, they should do welfare of the people. Okay, and there is some several functions as under. The main function of a political party is to maintain the majority by winning the election from their constituencies and form the government. All political parties give tickets to only those candidates who can win from a particular constituencies. The political party has to apply its mind to select the right candidate for a constituency. Here that political party give such people only ticket so that people can win and get the more votes from public. The political parties at the time of elections hold public meeting, demonstrations and procession etc. so that they could know the problems and solve them. The political parties at the time of election hold public meeting and they ask their problems so they can solve their problem. Every political party has to study the opinion so that it could serve if it comes to power and to criticize and keep a check and control over their ruling party if it does not come to power. Every political party they study the public opinion so that they could serve it. Okay, if suppose that if they come in a power, so they can criticize to the other party. Okay,